Good morning, Year 3. It's the 25th of January, it's Monday. Let's do some big maths. Today I'm revising them, the 4s and the 8s side by side, just to get used to them. 2 times 4 is, shout it out. Well done, it's 8. 2 times 8 is 16. Well done, let's clean them off. Next, let's go for 3. 3 times 4, 3 times 8. 3 times 4 is the balloon. 3 times 8 is the bow tie. Well done, it's 12 and 24. Okay. 4 times 4 is the square. 4 times 8 is the boing boing. Well done, it's 16 and 32. Next, I'm not going to do 5s, 5's easy, I'm doing 6. 6 times 4, 6 times 4 is, what number goes in the chicken? And what jumps over the gate? 6 times 8. Well done, it's 24 and 48. Bit of a pattern going on here, isn't there? Next, what do I do that? Times 4 times 8. Let's do 7. 7 times 4, 7 times 8 equals, ready. 7 times 4 is, what's sheltering in the 7? And 7 times 8 is the musical one. Well done, 28, keeps out of the storm. And 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 times 8 is 56. Next, let's go for 8. 8 times 4, 8 times 8. 8 times 4, boing, boing, boing. And 8 times 8, the 8 and the 8 couldn't get through the door because 8 times 8 is, well done, 8 times 8 is 64. And boing, boing, 32. Let's go for 9. Well, I did this by working out 10. What would 10 times 4 be? Take away 4. Well done, it's 36. What would 10 times 8 be? Take away 8. 72. I'm not doing 10 times, I'm not doing 11 times, but I am going to go to 12 times. 12 times 4 and 12 times 8. 12 times 4, lock it in, it's 48. 12 times 8 is, well done, it's 96. Right, guys. I'd like to move on now to skip counting. I'd like you to put a 0. And I'd like you to skip count in halves as quickly as you can. Get all the way to 10. Pause the video. Okay. This time I'd like you to skip count in not 5s but 50s. It's like counting in 5s, isn't it? This time go all the way to 500. Pause the video. This time I'd like you to skip count in 25s. There's a bit of a pattern here, guys. Let's just do the first one. 25, 50, 75, 100. And then the pattern starts again. 125, 150. Pause the video. This time go all the way to 500 again. Okay, we will do, I think that's enough for today. And then what we'll do now is we'll just make sure we can add 10, add 100, and take it away. If I said 27, add 10, would you add 10 to that column, or would you add 10 to that column? Well done. 27 add 10 becomes 37. If I made it 337, if I wanted to add 100, would I add it to that column, or that column? Well done. I'd add it to that column, so 300 would become 437. Well done. Right then, let's have a go. This time you're going to be adding 10 to 417. Add 10. Well done. It becomes 427. This time I would like you to add 100 to 427. Add 100. Well done, 527. Fabulous. Just to check that we can do it, if I said we had 105, if I took away 10, what's that going to be? That's hard. Yeah, equals 95. It's tricky, that one. If I said I had 107 take away 10, what would that be? It's going to be in the 90s, isn't it? Well done, it's 97. If I said 103 take away 10, what would that be? Yeah, it's going to be in the 90s, and it's going to end in 3. Well done. If I said 108, take away 10. Can we do this quickly now? Well done is 98. Right, let's just do that trick with 203. Okay, take away 10. If only it were 213, I'd be really happy, but it's not. It's 203, take away 10. I need to take away 10, but I don't have enough. Now my answer is going to be in the 100s, isn't it? So I'll do my 3 places. It's going to be 100. It's going to be 90 something. 193. Well done. Let's do another one. Let's do 207 take away 10 equals. I know it's not going to be in the 200. It's going to be in the 100s. It's going to be in the 90s because that's at the top end. Well done. It's going to be 7. We'll go for one last one. Okay. Well done. It's going to be 194. Fantastic. If I said to you 204 take away 100, can you do that? Can I take away 100? Yes, I can. So I had 200s and now we've only got, well done, 104. And I don't need to change those two because I'm not taking any ones away. I'm not taking any tens away. Okay. Right, guys, let's have a look at doubling and halving. If I said to you, what is half of 30? What would you say? Well done, you'd say 15. But if I said what's half of 300, what would you say? Well done, you'd say 150. Okay, awesome. Next, if I said to you, what is half of 50? Well done, you'd say 25. So what would half of 5,000 be? Yeah, well done, it would be 2,500. If I said to you, what's half of 70? Well done, you'd say 35. If I said what's half of 700, you'd say, fantastic, 350. We'll do one last one. What's half of 90? Well done, you'd say 45. So what's half of 900? Well done, it's 450. And we'll do quickly near doubles. If I said to you, what's 3 add 3? What would you say? Well done. So if I said 30 add 30, you'd say, awesome. What would 4 add 4 be? Well done. If I said 400 add 400, what would you say? Awesome. If you know what 4 add 4 is, what's 4 add 5? Well done. So what would 40 add 50 be? Fantastic. Let's go to 6 add 6. What's 6 add 6 equal? Well done, it's 12. What would 600 add 600 equal? 0, 0. Put your comma in. 1, 2, 3, comma. Awesome. If I said 7 add 7 equals, well done, it's 14. So what would 70 add 70 equal? Wonderful. If I said then 70 add 80, well, what's 7 add 7? Add 1 more. 15. So it would be 150. Next, let's do, we'll go for 8. Add, now I was going to put 8, but I think actually 8 add 7. It's a near double. What's 7 add 7? Add 1. Yep, it's 15. Awesome. Let's do 9. 9 add, no, oh, I was going to do 9 add 9, but I'm doing 9 add 8. What's 8 add 8? Add another 1. Well, then it's 17. So what's 90 add 80? Awesome, it's 170. Right, I'm going to use my double facts this time to do some subtraction. I know that 7 add 7 is 14. So 14 take away 7 would equal 7. I know that 8 add 8 equals 16. So 16 take away 8 equals 8. I know that 9 add 9 equals 18. So 18 take away 9 equals 9. And so would 90 add 90 equals 180, and 180 take away 90 equals 90. Let's go for 6 add 6 equals, yeah, so 60 add 60 equals, cool. 120 take away 60 equals 60, well done. Okay, and we'll end with doubles and halves. What else do we do? We'll end with, nope, I think that's it. See you later.